Hello everyone, Anna here. I've been missing all the times that we had snack together, and I remember Sarah's family came to our school and taught us how to make something very, very delicious that starts with a letter R and it makes a R sound. Do you know what it is? If you guess roti, you are right. Today we're gonna make roti. All right, go ahead and wash your hands. We're gonna get ready to go, and I'm gonna tell you all the materials that you're gonna need. All right, I'll see you in a minute. For this recipe, you are going to need a bowl, a deep bowl to put all the ingredients in. You're going to need a cutting board like this, or a flat surface if the flat surface is clean enough. You're going to need a rolling pin, right, to make your roti flat. You're going to need measuring cups. You're gonna need a 1 cup and a 1/3 of a cup, right? You're gonna need a griddle. A griddle looks like this. If you don't have a griddle like this, friends, that's okay. You can use a frying pan, all right? This griddle in Mexico is called a comal. Can you say comal? And in India, this is called a tava. Can you say tava? All right, let's see the ingredients now. The ingredients to make roti are very, very simple. You just need 4 ingredients, all right? Ingredient number 1, whole wheat flour. All right, you're gonna need 2 cups. 2 cups of whole wheat flour. You are going to need olive oil. You need about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. All right, you're going to need 1 cup of water. Inside I measured all the water, all right? And you're gonna need about 2 teaspoons of salt. Now that you have gathered all the materials and all the ingredients, we're gonna start to make the roti, okay? First, you're going to need your 1 cup, your 1 measuring cup, and the flour. And you're going to measure 1. Is this 1 cup? No, right, need some more, right? Let's dip it in. Remember how we used to tap a tap, tap a tap, okay? And now we're going to make sure it's 1 cup, okay? 1. Tap a tap, tap a tap, and 2. All right. After you have your flour in here, you're going to add the oil. One-third of a cup of oil, all right? Here we go. All right. You're gonna add some salt. Make sure all of it goes in there. All right, and you're gonna have a little bit of water, not the whole cup, just a little bit. Here we go. All right, are you ready? Now we're gonna mix it all up. Here we go. Look at this. All right, I think it needs a little bit more water. Let's put a little bit more water. Continue adding more water as you incorporate all the ingredients together, okay? It's looking good, friends. Your roti can be as big or as small as you would like it to be, okay? So you're gonna take a chunk out, all right? You're gonna roll it and you're gonna put it on the side. And you're gonna do that with all of them, okay? Ooh, a baby one. After you're done making your meatballs, you're going to use your flat surface or your cutting board and the very, very special tool that you love, the rolling pin. All right, so I'm gonna pick one and I'm gonna roll it again, okay? Roll, roll, rolly, roll, rolly, roll, rolly, rolly, roll, roll, roll. Make it flat, make it flat, make it flat, make it flat. Press it down, press it down, press it, press it, press it down. Here we go. Stretch it out if you want. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it out. Making roti, making roti. All right, friends. Now you can put it, do you remember the bowl that we use? I put it right at the edge and you're gonna do the same with the rest of them, okay? Now with the help of an adult, you're gonna use the griddle to cook your roti. Here we go. Do you hear that sizzling sound? Oh my goodness, delicious. I love when they make bubbles. Yay. Do you notice some rotis are big and some are small? They can be as big as you need it to be, okay? Next you can do the flipping. You can use a spatula to make the flipping. Here we go. You can use your hands too if you're a pro. If you're a pro. Oh, it smells so good, friends. I'm so excited for you. All right, friends, after you are done, your roti is going to look like this. Oh, it smells so good. Right, I like to put cheese in my roti, but you can add peanut butter or you can add chocolate. I don't know. All right, I hope this was helpful. I love you. See you soon. Adios.